the biosafety framework in Mozambique. Mozambique did sign the Cartagena Protocol in 2011, and from there we start to build up, to structure the biosafety framework in Mozambique. Therefore, in 2014, we revised our decree, the decree related to management of genetically modified organisms and their products. We revised it, and now we have on top of the biosafety framework, the National Biosafety Authority. The interinstitutional biosafety working group, the GIPS, has a mandate to give the advice to the National Biosafety Authority, which is the minister who foresees the area of science, technology, and higher education, and to the government, the whole government. So through the minister, we also advise the government. Mozambique will regulate the gene editing in the same way we are doing with the different aspects or issues that are appearing after we approve the decree for the GMO regulation. So we'll take it as a guideline and we'll name it as a complementary legislation.
Genome editing would help overcome some of those challenges. It's really one of the tools in an array of tools to increase agricultural production and productivity in the continent.
We have identified sorghum as one of the crops that we would like to do some intervention using genome editing, due to the importance of sorghum for Africa as well as for Mozambique. But it's a first approach of the country to establish genome editing as a tool to improve crops in Mozambique.
Mozambique has a lot of challenge in terms of human resources and in terms of financial and technical resources. For instance, we just have one lab which is testing GMOs. So we need to implement different labs in different regions.
The misinformation or the quantity of information that is available for people in terms of what are those crops, what are the benefits, what are the pros and cons about using these GM crops.
Communication is important because of miscommunication and misinformation. Africa has not been able to make much use of the biotech crops over the last 2 to 3 decades, and much of it is because of misinformation and miscommunication. So really, as the genome editing technology evolves and as genome editing technology matures for adoption, we need to prepare our population in terms of educating them, giving the right information so that people would be ready for acceptance and adoption of the technology.
We have been, as a country, we have been involved in training. We have participated in the development of training modules to explain the science behind genome editing, to explain how can we develop a genome edited product, how can we commercialize a genome edited product, as well as what are the regulations in place in the continent and in the world. We have been participating in several activities for training, but also we have developed our communication and advocacy strategy of this technology, because we believe that is one of those technologies that there is a lot of space for continental as well as country appropriation of the technology.